Good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, October 30th, 2024. I am here at Huckins Yacht Center, and this is an after video of Gettin Loopy. Before I show you the after video, I'm going to go ahead and just name off some shaft or some zincs. You have one 2-inch shaft zinc. You have two ZCH3 transom zincs, one R5 rudder zinc, two R4 trim tab zincs, two stern thruster zincs, and one that's right underneath the prop. It is a very long and slim 2-bolt anode. I'll get a video of it. I'm not exactly sure what it is.